Hello, I'm EmRatThich. Today we will learn how Chinese coaches do the multi-ball drills for their top players. I found that there are two typical multi-ball training patterns that Chinese coaches often use for their players. Number one pattern is the fourth ball counter-attack training. In the modern game, that the opponent will attack right after the serve. So this attack is the classical third ball attack. So top Chinese players practice doing the counter-attack to gain an advantage. In the next rally, this is called the fourth ball counter-attack multi-ball training. And the number two pattern is the classic forehand topspin everywhere on the table. This is the best exercise to improve the footwork and the power of the forehand topspin. To have a powerful forehand attack, you need to profit the weight transfer by applying the concept power from the ground. Some players don't know what is the fourth ball, so here you are. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the modern game, you need to counter-attack. Never defend the attack of the opponent, but counter-attack it. This is one of the reasons that Chinese players maintain their top ranking. Here is another example of counter-attack training. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well, this is a classical training drill used a very long time ago. This drill is very important for your footwork because you need to move on of the table. You will use your forehand to attack the long ball, and then you will learn to do the weight transfer to increase the power of your forehand topspin.